Guys, why hacker will use ls command, guys? Let's say if the web application is vulnerable to command injection, or else if the hacker has got the shell access, why do hacker will hack into a machine, guys? In order to read the files and folders, guys. So how does he know the particular files or folders in a machine? He has to only execute ls command. So whenever anyone gets the shell access to a machine, he will definitely execute ls commands, because without this he will not know what all the files are there to steal in a machine, right? So please comment my youtube videos, guys, whether you like this type of training approach, because I don't want to give an example of ls pwd just like that. I want to give an in-depth scenario of like why hacker use that command, so that later if I give one example it will be your creativity like later. Now ls space hyphen la is used to list the everything in detail, guys. So it is showing the size and the permissions, username, and the directory information, dates. This is the good information, guys, to see. So this is how you're gonna check for ls hyphen la. And if you want to know like why ls space hyphen la, now how do you learn about it, guys? Simply help space ls or else info space ls. Okay, why okay, it is saying as okay. Now I'll give man space ls. Yeah, it is showing the manual, or else I need to enter sudo for that. But like it is saying almost all files. A means attributes. Use a long list for format. So this is how I'm gonna use like q to quit, guys. Q, it's gone.